Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD, and as we all know that Euro USD is right now under the dominance of sellers, and it just closed at the support level we have been talking for the last couple of days. The last traded price of euro dollar is 1.0676. So market just closed at the critical support of 1.0670. At first, let's have a look at the chart of DXY. As we expected, DXY gave us a breakout on the chart, and slowly it is heading towards the next resistance of 103.95 or 104 level. My dear friends, to be honest, I do not expect much volatility on Monday. First of all, usually we do not get to see much craziness on the first half of Monday. Usually the volatility comes during the US session. But this Monday will be very special because on Tuesday we have CPI. So it may be a bloody Valentine Day this time. So my dear friends, be careful. There may be some blood on the streets. So 103.95 is the resistance for DXY as of now. Okay, so hopefully this DXY will continue the uptrend. In case it starts falling also, then obviously we have strong support around 102.50 to 102.60 and some minor support around 103 level. So two supports and one resistance on the chart of DXY. And let's have a look at the chart of euro dollar. So if we just observe the present trend of the market, okay, then obviously the market is not very positive. Okay, and the market has already witnessed heavy selling. So maybe market will break the support and head down. But if possible, do not try to enter immediately, because usually for a breakout or breakdown, we need volume, we need volatility. And as I already said, that on the first half of Monday, we did not get to see much volatility. Okay, so it may be a false breakdown as well. So in this type of scenario, it is safer to go for a sell position at retracement. So when market will go down, okay, wait for some time. If market comes up again, observe the market around 1.0670 area again, because the same level will now be acting as the new resistance for the market. So when market will be reversing again, you can immediately enter for a sell position, and this time your risk to reward ratio will also be in your favor because you are just taking a sell position at resistance. So the market opening will be very important for euro USD. So if euro USD breaks, then observe the market. If possible, try to enter for a sell position at retracement only. That will be much safer. Okay, and the next support on the chart of euro USD is around 1.0580. This is a support from a weekly chart, and then we have support around 1.0500 to 1.0480. These two are the supports on the chart of euro dollar right now. In case euro USD falls also, these two are strong support. We can expect the market to hold and market to bounce. If market bounces according to our expectations, we can definitely go for buy position. Okay, and on the chart of euro USD, 1.0500, 1.0480 is the strongest support as of now. If you're wondering about resistance, yes, then we have a proper resistance. Okay, proper resistance at a 1.0800. The reason behind considering this level is market has taken previous support around this area. So again, the previous support will be acting as resistance here, and before that, okay, before that we have some minor resistance around 1.0710 as well. Around this area also we have some minor resistance. So market opening will be very important. If market slips or falls after the market opening, then please follow the strategy that I just mentioned and focus on the levels or the support level. And in case market starts going up after the market opening, then at first observe the market around the minor resistance or weak resistance of 1.0710 level. If market reverses, you can go for a quick sell, not a proper sell, quick sell, because this is a very minor resistance. Okay, on the other hand, if market breaks also this level, then if you're looking for proper resistance, then 1.0800 may be the next resistance on the chart of Euro USD. So these are the levels and trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD right now. If I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. And my dear friends, if you really like my work and want to take up trading as a serious source of income, then you can consider joining the Pro Trader program, Learn, Trade and Earn. You can see 3 main pillars of the Pro Trader program. Everything is mentioned in the website. Okay, the link is in the description. You can see here 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program. All the benefits you'll receive, and apart from that, you'll also get access to the workshop next month, because this month's workshop already I have conducted, so you'll get free access to the workshop whenever I'll conduct. But as of now, you'll receive all the benefits if you join the Pro Trader program. So if you're interested, then you should check the link in the description. Okay, so this is all about Euro USD. Hopefully you got my point. Please follow proper risk management, my dear friends. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. I am also a trader like you, just a little bit more experience. So be a trader, not a gambler. Bye bye, take care.